Factor, 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 factor again, our 9th time of factoring. So we're going to factor completely again. So I'm going to take the GCF out. 3 times, there's a 3 and an X. And an X becomes X squared minus 5X plus 9. The factors of 9 are 1 and 9 and 3 and 3. They're the same, so I'm adding. That's 10, that's 6. I'm never going to get a negative 5, so this is factored completely. I'm going to take a 5 out and get 4x squared minus 9. 4s and 9s need to send off some fireworks of that's a perfect square. So that's 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Take some 4s out. 4 times 3a squared minus a minus 2. Signs are different, and it's a negative. Tic-tac-toe. 3, negative 2, negative 6. To get a negative 1, the larger one is negative. And I'm doing 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. And when I subtract 2 and 3, I do get 1. So it is a negative 3 and a positive 2. Totally blew that a second. 3 goes here, 1 goes here, 2 goes here, negative 1 goes here. So it is 4, 3a plus 2 and a minus 1. No middle term. 49 is a perfect square. That's a perfect square. That's 9. That's 7. So that's 9 plus 9b plus 7 and 9b minus 7. You know I'm allergic to fractions. I'm also allergic to negatives. I'm going to take that negative out. I'm also going to take an x out. So negative x on the outside. I'm also going to take a 7 out. You always want your negative leading. Don't leave them inside because your eyeballs are drawn to this. So that's 2x squared plus 3. And that's completely factored. You can't factor anything with a plus in 2 terms. And 2 and 3 are prime. I have 12 and 2 and 24. Signs are alike. I'm adding to get 11. I have 1 and 12. 1 and 24. Golly, my brain was going too fast. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8. There's my 11. 8 and 3. My 1 has to go here for my 2 because my 2 can't go here. So that becomes a 3 and that becomes a 4. So that is 4x plus 4a plus 1 and 3a plus 2. And that is 12-9 factoring completely.